Hello and welcome, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating a Christmas card in a shape of a snow globe. The template for the card base can be downloaded from the link which is in the description box below the video. My card is featuring the beautiful scene from Cosy Christmas paper collection from Lemoncraft. The scene can be found in the small part, in the big part, and also on the cover of the 6x12 part. I'm starting with cutting out my card base. I printed a template, traced it to the folded card, and now I need to cut it out. My card is about 17 centimeters tall, but you can create it in a different size. You can resize the template. Then I will create a frame which will go on the top of the design with the winter scene. And for the frame I used 2 circle dies, and you can create wider or thinner frame depend on what sizes of the circles you are going to use. And then also I'm going to trace the bottom of the card onto another darker paper to create a bottom part of the snow globe. This is very easy to put together. You don't have to be as well very neat. I mean, I'm not usually with those type of cards because this is handmade, you know. I want people to see that I created it with my hands. It wasn't a machine cutting that. So all imperfections are fine. As you can see, I attached the bottom part of the snow globe. Then I'm adding the scene. My scene is slightly too small. I mean, it should have more paper on the bottom of that circle, but it doesn't matter because it will be covered with the snow later. To create a shaker, I will also need a piece of acetate which will go underneath the frame. So I'm going to attach frame to the acetate, and then lots of foam pads will go on the bottom of the frame, and then I will attach it to the card. But before attaching your glass to the card, you need to add some sequins, microbeads, glitter, whatever you want in the shaker box part. Of course, if you are creating the shaker box, because you can attach that frame straight away on the paper without creating a shaker box part. So I have a selection of little elements, sequins, microbeads, and also I had that artificial snow. I mean, I don't know what is it. It's looks like a foil cut into very little pieces. So I'm going to place that in the middle of the card before attaching the frame, and then I'm going to attach the frame. After I did that, I realized I added a little bit too much of the snow, but it's fine. But yeah, if you will be doing that, just maybe make sure that you don't have too many elements in the frame. It's still okay on my card, but I could add less, and then the elements would move easier inside. They are quite squashed there now, but like I say, it looks fine. To embellish the card, I only need few elements because we don't have much space here, so I decided to go with traditional elements for me. which are flowers, leaves, and some other bits and pieces. The paper elements are cut out of the Lemoncraft Cosy Christmas collection. I've got few die cuts and the paper flowers. The video for the paper poinsettias can be found on my channel as well. Actually, maybe even more than one. I think I have maybe 3 videos for those poinsettias. So if you would like to make them, please go to the description box. I will link the video there for you. I'm creating 2 little compositions. I mean, one bigger and one definitely smaller. On the card, one will go on top. And this, this will be it actually. This card is quite quick to make. Of course, I had to take some time to cut out the template nicely, but apart of that, it's really easy and quick. And this will be it. I hope you will like it because I just love that. I used that scene on 3 cards already, I think, including this one, and I have another video coming with that paper because I just love that design and I think it can be used in many different ways. Last step is to add a bit of white gesso here and there to create a snowy effect, and the card is ready. So yeah, I want to, as always, invite you to create similar project and share it on social media. Please tag me, Emilia Sieradzan, then I can see your cards. I'm always happy to see your variations of my project. It's just amazing. I'm going to add a little bit of glitter and the microbeads to finish off the project, and this will be it. Last step is to add a bit of white gesso here and there to create a snowy effect, and the card is ready. Thank you very much for visiting me today. Also for leaving a comment. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Take care everyone. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.